Everyone in the village warned him about his uncle. They said the man had a smile that hid sharp intentions. They said he helped people only when it benefited him. But the boy didn't listen, because when your parents are gone, you cling to the only family you have left, and the uncle knew that. The boy arrived at his uncle's house just before sunset. It was bigger than any house he had ever lived in. Clean walls, quiet rooms, no laughter. The uncle welcomed him with a warm voice and cold eyes. "You're safe here," he said. The boy believed him. He shouldn't have. The first few days were calm. Food on the table, a bed to sleep on, no shouting. Then the rules started. Wake before sunrise, work until your hands shake, no questions. And whenever the boy slowed down, the uncle would smile and say, "You must earn your place here." That sentence stayed with him. One evening, the boy overheard something. The uncle was speaking to a trader. "He's strong," the uncle said. "I can get good money for his labor." The boy froze. That night he didn't sleep, and for the first time he wondered something that scared him more than hunger. Was this house ever meant to be safe? The days grew heavier. The uncle took the boy's small earnings, took credit for his work, took his silence for weakness. But what hurt most wasn't the work. It was the way the uncle pretended to care, only when others were watching. Then came the accident. The boy collapsed in the field one afternoon, exhausted, dehydrated. Villagers gathered. The uncle rushed in, loud and concerned. "My nephew!" he cried. But when the crowd left, the uncle whispered something different. "Get up," he said. "You're embarrassing me." Something broke inside the boy that day. Not his body, his hope. That night, the boy didn't cry. He remembered his parents, how they used to say, "Character shows when no one is watching." He stood up quietly, packed nothing, and walked away before sunrise. No anger, no revenge, just a decision. Years passed. The boy grew into a man, slowly, honestly. He worked for fair people, learned patience, built strength without stealing it from others, and one day he returned to the village. The uncle was still there, but things had changed. The uncle's house was quiet in a different way now. No visitors, no respect, only whispers behind his back. People had learned who he truly was, and the man he once controlled was now someone others trusted. A wicked heart may gain power for a moment, but it always loses something greater: respect, trust, and peace. And those who endure quietly often rise without needing revenge.